Hello again, everybody. Right now we're off to go pick up a Toyota Camry that's just down the road from us. Looks like it was involved in an accident and it's going over to the body shop. So once we get there, we'll see what we got going on. Let's go get this thing picked up. It does appear to have some significant damage, both front and rear. Hello. Oh, I'm doing all right. You could be having a little bit better of a day.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened?
I was making the person in front of me was making a left-hand turn, and I was stopped behind them, and the other car didn't stop. The car
Okay.
didn't stop. So.
It happens.
Yeah. Yep.
We're taking it over to O'Neill's, it looks like.
Okay. Yep.
And they're taking care of the bill, so all I need is the key.
Great. Okay.
All righty. You have a good day.
You too.
Seems like a fairly typical accident. Someone's turning, she stops. Somebody behind her decides not to. It's never fun. But we'll get this over to the body shop for her and they'll get her all taken care of. What to hook to on this? There we go. She's got tip slots. See if I can somewhat try to secure this. Not fully closed. That's going to be difficult to secure that down. It's there. Might be able to grab that. Alright, well, just gonna have to drive careful. It's not that far of a drive, slower roads, it shouldn't be alright. parking brake set? It is in neutral. Parking brake is set. Let's see. I don't like how that flops that bad, so let's see if I can get something. Maybe hold that closed. Yes, sir. You're about 13.3. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, you should be at 13.3 with that. Worst case, if you feel uncomfortable about it, drop your airbags while you go under it. That'll give you a couple extra inches. Yep. See ya. Help keep that from flying up too high and smashing the back window out. This all tightened up, and then I'll hop back up there and tighten that back down a little bit. Alright, so that one's all done. The shop asked me if it was lot drivable. That's why I started it and drove it off the truck. So yes, it is lot drivable. There's one thing they like to know, whether they have to push them or they can drive them around. But that one's all set. Drop the keys off and on to the next one.